9 tips to stop snoring. 1. Sleep on your side. You're more likely to snore if you're lying on your back, and sleeping on your stomach is stressful on your neck. 2. Lose weight. Excess body weight, especially around the neck, puts pressure on the airway, causing it to partially collapse. 3. Avoid alcohol and tranquilizers. Both alcohol and sleeping pills can depress your central nervous system and relax the muscles of your throat and jaw, making snoring more likely. And they should never, ever be used together. If you have difficulty sleeping without sleeping pills, discuss it with your doctor. 4. Get your allergies treated. Chronic respiratory allergies may cause snoring by forcing sufferers to breathe through their mouths while they sleep. Taking an antihistamine just before bedtime may help. If your nose is stuffed up, try using an over-the-counter saline spray or a humidifier. 5. Buy a mouth guard. Your dentist or doctor may be able to prescribe an anti-snoring mouth guard that holds the teeth together and keeps the lower jaw muscles from becoming too lax. 6. Stop smoking. Smoke damages the respiratory system. 7. Keep a regular schedule. Get plenty of sleep. Go to bed and get up at the same time each day. 8. See a doctor if you are pregnant and snoring. Sometimes, women who are pregnant will begin to snore. The snoring may begin because of the increased body weight and because the hormonal changes of pregnancy cause muscles to relax. Talk with your doctor about it. 9. Elevate your head. Sleeping with your head raised may take some of the pressure off of the airway, making breathing easier. Excessive snoring may also indicate that you have sleep apnea, a serious sleep disorder. It's important to have sleep apnea treated, not only because it interferes with your daily functioning, but because it boosts your risk of vascular disease. Best Snoring Treatment Program. Click link in my description to find more.